Alright, triangles ABC and triangle BEF are similar. Triangle ABC has sides shown. Fill in the missing measure. The length of sigma FE is blank. Okay, so first identify corresponding side lengths. So first and second vertex to first and second vertex. So AB to DE. And second and third vertex to second and third vertex. So BC to EF, and first and third vertex to first and third vertex, so AC to DF. So it is important to notice that the corresponding sides are laid out different, and that's totally fine. You can lay out a triangle any direction you want, as long as you list which, in its name, which vertex is going to correspond to the other vertex, so that you can identify the correct corresponding sides and corresponding angles. So what I'm going to notice is that I'm just going to look at a corresponding pair. We went from 3 from AB to 1.5 here. So I'm going to set up a statement. 3 times this scale factor has to equal 1.5. And then I'm going to jump over, because I know that I went from my original length, I times it by some number, which is called the scale factor, to end up with a length of 1.5. So again, the focus of this is the relationships between the side lengths. And you can use this to support you with the algebra. So 3 times the scale factor has to equal 1.5. And this will help us with the algebra. So if you notice that it says to divide both sides by 3, so 3 divided by 3 reduces down to 1. And again, 1 is implied in math in front of any letter. And then 1.5 divided by 3 reduces down to 0.5. So our scale factor is 0.5. So that means when we go to find out what the length of FE is, let's first identify its corresponding side length from the original triangle. So again, remember we went from large to this one. So we're going to go from this triangle to this triangle when we set up our equation as well. So we know that 4.24 is being multiplied by our scale factor, and that's going to equal the length of FE. Well, we know that our scale factor is 0.5. So I can substitute that in. So we have 4.24 times 0.5, 4.4 times 0.5. That's going to give us 2.12. So I know that FE equals 2.12. So that's what I'm going to type in. It's 2.12.